Hey everyone, here's Brody, the Ford Taurus fan 2001. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Eclipse Cross. We'll start the engine, show it off, go through performance details, as well as show you a bunch of features on the inside as well as the outside. And so, without further ado, let's start her up, let her run. Also, this Mitsubishi Eclipse does equip with an aftermarket remote starter. So, as you see, it's locked, and hold this button to go. And check it out, it's even simple. And hold it again to shut it off. It's a blue exterior. With black cloth interior. Never actually got an Eclipse Cross before. This is the first time to do one. Anyways, let's start her up. Nice. Starts right up. Roll down the window. Fires right up. Turn that down. 3-spoke or 2-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Let me know in the comments what kind of steering wheel this is. Very smooth power steering. 6-speed automatic transmission. I'm not gonna shift it though, because just in case the car moves. E-brakes right here. Good. This not a bad car at all. Anyways, let's turn on the headlights. Front rear fog lights and the hazards. And we'll review the exterior, shall we? It's a basic quiet car. There's your factory tires. Basic, quiet car. Anyways, let's pop the hood. Auto eco mode. Anyways, we'll open the hood. Okay, here we go. That's my splinter. Okay, it's a little hard to open the hood. It's a little bit hard to open the hood. Okay, there we go.